I'm knowledgeable and experienced about SEO and Google Ads. Would you advise me to focus on only one thing or should I go in both? It's a freelancer question. Um, I can run Facebook ads better than most other Facebook agencies, but you would never find me doing a single video on Facebook ads or Twitter ads or LinkedIn ads or any other kind of ads. I just focus on Google ads. That is my expertise. So if you want to become the go-to expert, you've got to be just at one thing and one thing only. SEO is completely different. Google Ads is completely different. My advice to you is to focus on just one thing and not try to do lots and lots of things. Even as an agency, we don't offer SEO, even though our rankings on organic traffic is a lot more than most other agencies have, because we upload, we optimize. We have a team of six for our content marketing and SEO, but we don't offer it as a service. We only do work for ourselves.